Do you still love the warmth of CDs or vinyl? Want a powerful, high-quality music experience without expensive audio setups? Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best portable vintage music players of 2025. From audiophile CD players to retro turntables, these devices bring high-fidelity sound in compact, stylish designs. Many music lovers are disappointed with streaming audio quality, weak phone speakers, and cheap CD players that skip or distort sound. Vinyl fans struggle with bulky turntables, while portable listeners want better battery life and more output options. Whether you're into CDs, MP3s, or vinyl, choosing a good, reliable music player can be overwhelming. These top-rated CD players and turntables solve those problems. They offer high-fidelity sound, strong output options, long battery life, Bluetooth connectivity, and even vintage aesthetics. Whether you need a portable CD player or a retro turntable for your room, these 5 models deliver the best audio experience. Number 5. FiiO DM13 Portable CD Player. The FiiO DM13 is a multifunctional portable stereo CD player designed for true music lovers. It features a long-lasting battery, USB ripping support, and multiple output options including optical, coaxial, 3.5mm, and 4.4mm balanced. This makes it perfect for both casual listeners and audiophiles. Whether you want to plug into speakers, headphones, or a full hi-fi system, the DM13 gives crystal clear audio with zero distortion. Number 4. HiFi Bluetooth 5.3 CD Player. This HiFi portable CD player delivers audiophile-grade sound with Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless listening. It features digital optical output for connecting to soundbars or hi-fi amplifiers. With a built-in 2000 mAh battery, it provides long listening sessions on the go. Designed for clean, high-resolution audio playback, it's ideal for home use, car listening, or travel. Number 3. Maio C210 Vintage Gramophone. The Maio C210 gives you a true vintage vinyl experience with a belt-driven turntable design. It supports 3-speed playback for all types of records, includes a built-in speaker, and delivers warm, high-fidelity stereo sound. Perfect for retro-themed rooms, gift setups, or anyone who loves the analog feel of vinyl. It's stylish, classic, and surprisingly powerful. Number 2. Portable CD Player with Speakers. This versatile CD player includes built-in stereo speakers and headphones, making it perfect for personal or shared listening. It supports Bluetooth, USB, MP3, and U-Disc playback, giving you multiple ways to enjoy music. Rechargeable and ultra-portable, this Discman-style player is a great option for travel, daily commutes, or home relaxation. Number 1. Vintage Wooden Hi-Fi CD Player. The top pick is this premium wooden hi-fi CD player featuring Bluetooth 5.1, digital optical output, USB lossless playback, and an audiophile-grade sound engine. The wooden housing enhances acoustic performance, giving warm, rich tones. Whether you're a collector or a music enthusiast, this is the ultimate blend of vintage style and modern hi-fi technology. If you want rich, high-fidelity sound with modern features, these CD players and turntables are excellent choices. Portable, stylish, and built for premium audio, there's something perfect for every music lover. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and audio reviews. Check the description for product links and updated prices. Hit the bell icon so you never miss future videos.